Good morning to everyone. So today we are going to talk about the art integrated project of maths for the class 8th. Dear student, CBSE had given one circular. In that circular carry 112 pages. So according to that 112 pages which is given by CBSE, it is very compulsory to have an integrated project from class 1 to 12. Okay, so here in this video I am going to explain you how to create an integrated project for the class 8th mathematics. Okay, in the same way you have to prepare your integrated project. Clear? Topic will be same for all the sections. Clear student? It will be hardly 8 to 10 pages. You have to create the file of it. So here this is an example for creating the art integrated project file. First page, the file should be like this. Have you seen? A file is very nicely decorated by the student. Okay, so in this way if you want to decorate your file, can decorate it. The first front of the file will be clear student. In the next page we will have the Jyoti Higher Secondary English Medium School Charoda Art Integrated Project 2020-21. Okay, the second page, as you will going to open the file, the front page, the front of the file will be as shown above. You can decorate and can use any other thing also. It is not compulsory as above. Okay, you can decorate with any other, or if your file will remain simple, that's also no issue. Clear? But as you open the file, the first page will be as shown in the figure. You have to write the name of the school, that is Jyoti Higher Secondary English Medium School Charoda Art Integrated Project 2020 to 2021. Okay, in subject what you have to write, as you are doing for the mathematics, then write mathematics project. If you are doing for English, write English subject. If you are doing for Sanskrit, you can write Sanskrit subject. Clear? The topic, next point will be topic. Okay, in the topic what you have to write, whatever the topic is given by your subject teacher. Okay, suppose I had given a topic for the pie chart about the constructions material used in the house in Gujarat. Okay, and one more thing I would like to tell you student, CBSE had integrated us the Chhattisgarh with the Gujarat. It had given the Gujarat for us to have the project. That means we have to know about Gujarat as Gujarat capitals, what are the infrastructures, what are the crop productions in Gujarat, about the steel factories, about the khadi, about crop productions, everything, whatever the thing is there in the Gujarat, we have to know. The aim of the CBSE is that only, that every we people, what we are going to do, we are only know about our state, isn't it? But what the CBSE used to do by this, CBSE has given us a state. For our school it is a Gujarat. Okay, for the Chhattisgarh it is a Gujarat, that every school has to prepare the project related to Gujarat, that about its infrastructure, about its steel industry, about the labor, about bridge, dam, etc., about NH. Okay, national highway. So all those things comes under this project. So what is the aim of that? Aim of the CBSE is to know about the other state. Okay, might be next year we will get the same art integrated project on any other state, like can have Delhi, Sikkim, Manipur. Okay, but for this session we are having the project on Gujarat. Clear student? So what will be the your front page? The file will be decorated by yourself. Clear? If the file will remain a simple way, it's no issue. Okay, as you open the file, your first page will be this one, and it is compulsory you have to have this page. Clear? So whatever the things you have to write in the project, in the file, that I am going to tell you in this video. So Jyoti Higher Secondary English Medium School Charoda Art Integrated Project. Subject, here topic is pie chart, and submitted by. So in this here submitted by, your name you have to write. Clear student? Here you have to write your name. Clear about the first page? Now at the end of this page we are having guided by. Guided by, that means here you have to write the name of your subject teacher. Clear? And leave the space for principal. Principal, you have to write the name of the principal over there. Okay, so guided by, the name of the teacher will be there, and in principal place you have to write the name of your principal. Clear, student? In the second page of your project you have to write about acknowledgement. Clear? So in this acknowledgement part, what you have to write is, I would like to express myself thanks to my teachers. Teachers, that means here a space is given, isn't it? A space is given, that means here you have to write the name of the teacher. Clear, student? In the acknowledgement part you have whatever the acknowledgement part, it will be same for all the subject. That's why we are preparing this video for you. Acknowledgement, index, okay, the front page of your like school name, guided by, that's everything will remain same for all the subject. So I would like to express my special thank to my teacher. So here you have to write here the name of your teacher who gave me the opportunity to do this project on the topic. So here you have to write the name of the topic. Dear student, what you have to write, suppose here you have to write the name of your topic. Suppose we are having the pie chart topic, isn't it? So you have to write over here pie chart, which helped me in knowing more deeply about the wonderful state Gujarat. Okay, this project is not only for scoring marks but to increase my knowledge. So this thing you have to write in your second page. Now let's talk about the third page. In the third page you have to write the certificate. In certificate, what you have to do, this is to certify that after a space is given, that means your name should be given. Suppose your name is Ansh. Okay, so you have to write your name Ansh, of class 8th. Section will be A, B, C, D, whatever. Jyoti Higher Secondary English Medium School, Charoda, Chhattisgarh has completed higher project under the guidance of that means again the name of the teacher. Clear? Under the guidance of your name of the teacher, his, her, that again the name of the teacher. Okay, you have to write over here, he, she has taken due interest and given the whole heart participations and sincerity in the completions of this project. I certified that this project is up to the guideline forwarded by the CBSE's circulations regarding the art integrated project learning. So dear student, here what you have to do, again I am remembering, I think I had told you about the teacher. Okay, so here don't write the name of the teacher, sorry for that. Chhattisgarh has completed the higher project under the Gujarat of, here you have to write under the guidance of. Yes, you have to write the name only, the teacher's name. Clear? So in this way you have to fill your page. Now the fourth page of your file will be of index. In this index part about Gujarat, okay, here you have to write as it is, the page is there, in the same way you have to write. Then topic you have to write. Topic is in the form of a picture or descriptions, same, no difference will be there. Then here about Gujarat vibrates Gujarat, here you have to write about some knowledge of Gujarat, like Gujarat is a state on the western coast of India with a coastlines of 1600 kilometers. It was formed on 1st May 1960. It is the 5th largest Indian state by area and the 9th largest state by population. Its capital city is Gandhinagar, while its largest city is Ahmedabad. The history of Gujarat begins with the Stone Age, age settlements, followed by the Bronze Age settlements like Indus Valley civilization. So this type of the Gujarat, about Gujarat, will be same for all the students. Okay, so no need of searching anything else you for that, and can write the same as it is given here about Gujarat. Clear, student? Then in the next page you have to write art in maths. This is an optional page, if you want to write or write it, otherwise skip it. Okay, maths is an interesting and important subject. Second point, every person has something to do with maths. Therefore, everyone should understand and let educate on it. Third point, art when integrated in maths makes students understand and more interesting for then visualizing it clearly. Clear? So here art and max, what is the role of art in max is explained in all the 7 points which you have to write it. Okay, then we are having the question now. So here we are having the question, student. So here is the question. So the following table shows the expenditures in percentage occurs on the constructions of house in Gujarat state. So items are bricks, cement, steel, labor and miscellaneous. Then expenditure in percentage 15%, 20%, 10%, 25%, 30%. We have to create a, what we have to create, the above data which I had given in the question, which your class teacher will also give, that data you have to write. Okay, the same. So here the solution is being given by me. Okay, just you have to copy this solutions in your project file, no other thing you have to do. So here is the solution for the question of pie chart. The total percent is 100. Central angle for a component is equals to value of component into 360 upon 100. So calculation of the central angle is given. Here the pie chart is also given, isn't it? Pie chart is given. So draw the pie chart. The pie chart should be not very small. It should be take the radius more than 3 centimeter. Okay, don't take the radius less than 3 centimeter. Construct a pie chart, and that construction is being given, and the last page will be of yours thank you. So the last page you have to mention at a thank you, in that you have to write thank you. So dear students, decorations of the file will be depends on you. Okay, it will be totally depends on you. Whatever decoration if you want to do it, or if you want to keep your file in a simple way, you can keep it. Clear? Whatever the doubts will be there, you can ask me through the WhatsApp number. This PDF I will send you in your group. Clear? So that you can get this 10 pages, and that so that you can simply write it and decorate your files. So it is very compulsory to do this project. Clear everyone? And the submission date for this project file will be 10th of February. Clear? So you are having almost 10 days. So try to do it. Clear? So thank you everyone.